Stop panicking about your dead USB port. Try these steps instead, and get back to your playlists. First, check if it's just your cable. Try using a different USB cable, since worn-out wires are often the culprit. Still nothing? Test with another device like a different phone or flash drive. If one device works but another doesn't, your port is probably fine. It's the device that's the problem. If the port is still dead, look for debris or dust inside the USB port. Carefully clean it out with compressed air or a soft brush. Next, with the vehicle safely off, check your car's fuses. Find the fuse box under the hood or near the passenger side footwell. Look in your owner's manual for the exact fuse controlling the USB ports. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same rating. Still not working? Try restarting your Traverse. Sometimes a simple reset can clear up tech glitches. And if you've tried all this and nothing works, it's probably time to visit your Chevy dealer. The issue might be deeper in the system, or the port itself may need replacing. Don't worry, most USB issues are easy fixes. With these steps, you'll be charging and jamming again in no time.